A long time ago, sage Patanjali wrote in his Yoga Sutras, Heyam Dukham Anagatam, which simply means the pain which is yet to come can be overcome. So this suits well in the present scenario. So instead of doing nothing at home, let us do something that can prevent us from the pain and the miseries. So let us begin. Join your hands, close your eyes, relax your body, relax your mind. Now we will start with Tadasana. Interlock your fingers, turn them out, and then slowly raise them up above your head. Lift your heels up, look forward, keep breathing, and try to observe and enjoy the upward stretch in all the muscles of your body. Now slowly relax, bring your arms down. Next asana is Ardha Chakrasana. Just place your hands behind your lower back. Breathing in, slowly bend backwards. Look back, enjoy the backward bend in your spine. Expand your lungs and then slowly come back up. Relax. Now, Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Join your legs. Breathing in, slowly raise your right arm up. Breathing out, bend to your left side, keeping your right arm completely straight. Try to feel the stretch on your right side. Your left arm will be loose, closer to your thigh. Keep your knees straight. Slowly return to normal position. And then, breathing in, raise your left arm. And while breathing out, bend to your right side. Keep breathing. Don't force yourself. Slowly return to normal position. Bring your arm down. And then relax. Now you have to sit down. So sit comfortably on the floor, on the mat, and if you're not comfortable down, then you can sit in a chair or on a stool. Now sit in Sukhasana like this. Keep your hands on your knees in Chinamudra, index finger and thumbs together. Close your eyes. Now we'll practice Parivrit Sukhasana. Place your right hand back. Breathing in, raise your left arm up. And breathing out, place it on your knee, try to pull it and twist your upper body. Keep breathing and enjoy the twist in your abdomen, in your chest, in your spine. Breathing in, slowly come back to center. Now you have to repeat the same. Breathing in, raise your right arm up. And breathing out, twist to your left side. Look back, keep breathing and enjoy the posture. After some time, slowly, while breathing in, raise your arm up. Breathing out, bring it down and relax in Sukhasana. Now, next asana is Uttan Mandukasana. Breathing in, raise your arms up. Breathing out, bend your elbows, place your hands behind your shoulders. Look forward or you can close your eyes, but try to keep your neck and head straight. Expand your lungs while you're breathing in. Slow and deep breathing. Now slowly return to normal position. Relax in Sukhasana. Now stretch your legs. And relax. Next practice, tiger breathing. Slowly bend your knees and sit in Vajrasana. If you're not comfortable, sit in a chair or on a stool. Now separate your knees with one forearm distance like this. Then place your forearms in front of your knees. Move your hands forward, one handspan, and then get up. Separate your feet also Hands, knees and feet will be parallel to each other. Now breathing in, arch your spine down and lift your head up. Breathing out, arch your spine up and bend your head down. Enjoy the comfort in your spine when you're bending down and up. Try to take proper breathing. You will feel more comfort. Your complete spine is going to get relaxed. More flexibility, less pain. If you're not comfortable, you can stop at any time. Now slowly return to Vajrasana. Now slowly stretch your legs, and in this manner lie down on your side and then on your abdomen in prone line position. Place your hands below your head, right on your left. Separate your legs like this, toes outwards, heels inside, and relax. Next asana is Bhujangasana. Join your legs, stretch your arms forward, and then in the same line bring your hands closer to your chest. Breathing in, lift your head and chest up. Breathing out, bring it down. Breathing in, slowly up. Try to feel the upward stretch. Breathing out, down. Breathing in, again up. Expand your lungs properly. And again, feel the strain on your back. It will strengthen the back muscles. You can hold also rather than moving in this manner. Now slowly relax in Makarasana. Keeping your legs apart will relax your back more. It will give you more comfort. Now for the next practice, you have to turn and lie on your back. Relax for a few seconds. Next asana is Ardha Uttan Padasana. Bend your left knee. Raise your right leg, breathing in up. Maintain with normal breathing. Keep your leg completely straight. If you're not comfortable, you can bring it down at any point. Slowly bring your leg down. Stretch your left leg. Now bend your right knee. Raise your left leg. Keep breathing. Slowly bring your left leg down. Stretch your leg. Next, Ardha Pavanmuktasana. Bend your right knee, interlock your fingers. If you don't have cervical pain, lift your head up closer to your knee joint. Maintain with normal breathing. If you're not comfortable, you can release this asana at any point. Slowly relax. Now from the other side, make sure your breathing is slow and calm. Don't force yourself. Slowly return to Shavasana. Keep your legs apart. Relax. Supta Uddha Karshanasana. Slide your arms sideways. Place your hands below your head. Bend your knees one by one. Place your heels closer to your buttocks. Now slowly breathe in, and breathing out, place your knees towards the right side on the mat. Turn your head on the opposite side. Maintain this position with normal breathing. Try to relax in this position. Breathing in back to center and breathing out to the other side. Slow and deep breathing. Breathing in back to center and breathing out, relax. Bring your arms down. Now, Supta Baddha Konasana. Bend your knees like this and then open your legs. Slide your arms sideways and then place them below your head. This will give you more comfort, more relaxation. Try to release all the muscles of your abdomen, all the muscles of your thighs, all the muscles in your lower body parts. Relax. Slow and deep breathing. Now slowly bring your legs back. And then relax in Shavasana. Relax yourself in this position. Relax your body, relax your breathing, and relax your mind. Release all the muscles. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Concentrate on each body part and relax them individually. Think about your toes and relax them. Think about your soles and relax them. Think about your heels and relax. Think about your ankles. Relax. Think about your calf muscles. Relax. Think about your knees and relax them completely. Think about your thighs. Relax them completely. Think about your genitals. Relax them. Think about your buttocks. Relax them. Think about your abdomen. Try to feel the belly movements. Slowly up, slowly down. Don't change anything, just let it move naturally with the flow of breath. Breathing in, going up, breathing out, coming down. Feel the movement and relax each muscle of your abdomen. Now think about your chest and relax it completely. Think about your shoulders and relax them. Think about your upper arms and relax them. Think about your elbows. Relax. Think about your forearms. Relax. Relax your wrist joints. Relax your hands. Relax your fingers. Think about your lower back. Relax your lower back. Relax your upper back. Think about your neck and relax it completely. Think about your jaw and relax it completely. Think about your tongue and relax it. Think about your lips and relax. Relax your cheeks. Relax your ears. Think about your eyes and relax them completely. Think about your forehead and relax. Think about your complete head and relax it from every side. Relax. 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 Concentrate on your breathing. Observe the air going inside of your nose and coming out of your nose. Try to feel the touch of air in your nose. Relax. Relax. Now, slowly take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Bring your legs closer, bring your arms closer. Turn to your right side like this, and then taking support, get up and sit. Keep your eyes closed. Now sit in Sukhasana. We will start Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Use your right hand to form Nasika Mudra. Bend first to fingers. Now using your thumb, close your right nostril and start breathing in from your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly close your left, breathe out from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in again from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly breathe out from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one round. You can practice at least 5 rounds, but don't force too much. You can gradually increase the duration if you're not comfortable with 5 seconds, but try to keep the duration of inhalation and exhalation same. After completing 5 rounds, you can slowly stop the practice. Bring your arm down. Relax in Sukhasana. Now, next pranayam is Bhramari Pranayam. Roll your tongue inside your mouth. Slowly breathe in, and breathing out, produce a humming sound. Practice at least 8 rounds, very slowly and calmly. After completing 8 rounds, now we will practice Trataka. So for this technique, you can use a small paper and you can draw a small circle, any color, and you can stick that or hang that in front of you at the level of your eyesight. Now this practice is very good for developing concentration and reducing anxiety. So try to focus on that black dot, black circle. The most important thing is you have to avoid blinking your eyes. Just gaze in the middle of that circle without blinking. Try to resist that temptation to blink. Concentrate and keep gazing. Try to look into it until tears fall out of your eyes. Tears roll down your eyes. And then slowly close your eyes. Join your hands, rub your palms, make them warm, cover your eyes. And then slowly, with a few blinks, open your eyes.